Hello, and welcome back to another video. If you've probably seen by the title by now, we are going to another reenactment. And I'm not alone, I'm here with my friend Sir P. He's got his Paratrooper uniform with him. I've got all the gear here, and more gear in the back. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. What do you think?
Yeah, it'd be pretty cool. There's meant to be an artillery gun, so.
Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't deafen us. But yeah, there's going to be a mock battle towards the end of it, so look forward to that. And yeah, I'll see you when we get to Ardmore. Just a brief overview of the event. It's an air show at Ardmore. It's the annual air show, usually in June. This year it's moved to March for better weather. So reenactors there, mock battle. Yeah, should be fun. Lots of flying around as well. Well, I won't keep you waiting much longer. I'll see you at camp. So this is a Browning 50 cal machine gun. It's a replica, 60mm mortar rounds. Zip bags. GP bag. This is a chick hedgehog, so it's a beach obstacle. Any more exciting stuff? There's a Mauser K98 German rifle. One of the guys in the group scored it because he's cross-dressing as a German, in case we don't have enough Germans for the battle. So yeah, there's a Mauser K98, M1903 Springfield, M1 carbine, Thompson machine gun, M3 grease gun, yeah. So I think most of these are original, the carbine is a replica, fires 22. So, there. Grand King. Around here, more Grand Kings. Hawkins mine. TNT, various bits and bobs, fuses, stuff. Demolitions and explosives. The 3rd Battalion of the 506th and the 326th Engineer Battalion, they would have been in charge of demolitions, so blowing up the key bridges on the Doog River. So yeah, the C Company of the 326th Engineer Battalion parachuted in with the 506th. So 3rd Battalion of 506 on D-Day. So that's what these stuff are for. So most of us do 3rd Battalion engineers or 506 generally. That is an M1903 Springfield with a M1905 bayonet on it. So it's the earlier war longer version. Later in the war they started making shorter ones called the M1 bayonet, and some of these were cut down to shorter ones as well. So that's 2 Springfields there. That is an M1 carbine in the middle. And that rifle there is an M1 Garand. Garand, how do you say it? This is also a Garand. A Springfield. This is the Thompson in the middle there. It's the American stuff, yeah. At the back you see a 50 cal machine gun. That was a aircraft mounted machine gun. from the wings of Corsair, World War II.
The first ever assault rifle.
So it hasn't got a hand or anything. Slightly different to the grounding over there because that's an aircraft-mounted one.
I know the chicks usually.
There, that's at the back. A wall tent. That wall tent at the back there, you can also see it's got a parachute on it. Camouflage. So it's the original cargo parachute. British weapons. I've seen it on Bob Semple's YouTube channel. British stuff.
Aviator. And here comes the noise machine again. Frank Parker in the centre. In the day where they had rotary engines, they'd stop and start the engines. That's how they controlled it. And in the case of this machine here, they went and just closed down various cylinders to get the speed power regime that they needed. So we might see some form of a little dogfight somewhere along the line between the Bristol Fighter and the Albatross. Contemporary aircraft would have been flying together in about 1917. Oh, it's going to be a hot day, folks. The sun's burning my neck here. Wonderful, isn't it? The wind is just perfect. Now this machine here today, yesterday we were saying this machine, maybe we should fix some guns to this thing. And so initially they had a guy on the back flying
So here you can see the Germans and us marching out, ready for the battle. So the plan was we had the Germans in the middle. They captured one of our air crew, or downed American air crew, get them captured. And then the plan was half of us would attack from one side, so the Kiwis and the 82nd Airborne attacked the Germans from the left side, and us, the 101st, and the British Airborne attacked from the right flank. So we ended up sandwiching the Germans at the end, and I ended up dying towards the end of the battle as well. Because I want to get a good read that, up to quality is my secret.
I'm gonna get 100.
Stand next to Ellis. Mustang.
They're watering their own people.
Realise we can sit in the car for the next half hour.
Hey guys, so that was it. We're on our way back. Event's over. What did you think of the event?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. So I ended up both of us going to battle. I was just a medic. I died towards the end of it. He was a mortarman, so he was working with the 60mm mortar. So yeah, it's a fun event overall. Gotta clean my face when I get back. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all in the next video.